Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Anchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know, that we were on unit number 7 and that is unit related to sports. So in unit number 7, we have done all the topics, sorry, most of the topics. Okay, so we are left with some few topics and that I am going to continue in this session as well. Okay, so the next topic that we will discuss in the today's session is given at page number 41, that is sporting legends. So this is the topic that I am going to start in today's session. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 41, that is sporting legends. I am just writing the topic here, that is sporting legends. Sporting legends. Okay, and this is given at page number 41. Sporting legends. So here on page number 41 you can see the pictures of various sports persons are given that are associated with the various sports, and we have, so what we have to do, so for that first of all we will read the heading. Name these famous sports person. You may choose your answers from the help box. Also, can you name the sports that they played? Okay, so now we'll talk about दी स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन. देखिए यहाँ पे अलग अलग स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन की पिक्चर्स दी हुई हैं एंड वी हैव टू मेंशन द नेम ऑफ these legendary sports person as well as we have to write the name of the sports. इसके साथ साथ हमें स्पोर्ट्स के नाम भी लिखे जिसके साथ वो एसोसिएटेड है. सो दैट मीन्स दैट some of most of them are the former player, former sports person. मतलब पहले वो खेलते थे but now they are not playing, they are not they have taken the retirement. Okay, but before taking the retirement they had made their, they had got so much name and fame all around the world. They have been famous for their sportsmanship, their talent. Okay, so first of all let's begin with the first one. So who is he? He is Diego Maradona. Who is he? He is Diego Maradona. So you must have heard about the Maradona. He was a football player. He is a former football player of Argentina. तो ये अर्जेंटीना के एक former football player हैं and his name is Diego Maradona. Okay, so now he is serving as the coach of the various football teams. Not various of the उन्होंने अलग अलग कोच अब वो कोच की तरह काम करते हैं. So he is one of the very talented and very popular football player of Argentina and his name is Diego Maradona. So write down the first one. So okay, so there are two lines are given. So in the first line you just write the name of the person and then in the second line write the name of the sports from which they have been associated or with which they have been associated. लिखिए, first is Diego Maradona, D-I-E-G-O, Diego Maradona, M-A-R-A-D-O-N-A. He is Diego Maradona and he is associated with football. He was a footballer बोल सकते हैं. So we have to write, देखिए, name these famous sports person. You may choose your answer from the help box. Also you can name the sports they had played. तो sports का name लिखना है. So you will write down football. He has played football and he was playing for Argentina. So we are writing the name of the countries as well. Argentina. That is Argentina. So Diego Maradona has played football for Argentina. Moving next to the second one. The second picture. So just pay attention to the second picture. Who is he? He is Carl Lewis. Who is He is Carl Lewis, and he was a track field athlete of America. वो अमेरिका की ट्रैक फील्ड एथलीट थे. ट्रैक फील्ड एथलीट मीन्स जो एथलीट्स जो भागते हैं रेस में, रिले रेस, 100 मीटर, 200 मीटर, 1000, जो भी अलग अलग रेसेस होती हैं. सो दे रन इन दोज रेसेस. सो दे आर नोन एज ट्रैक फील्ड रेसर. So he is, second picture is of Carl Lewis. Who is he? He is Carl Lewis, and he was a American track field athlete. Okay, so he was a American track field athlete. तो लिखिए, first of all let's write his name. He is Carl Lewis, C-A-R-L, Carl Lewis, L-E-W-I-S. He is Carl Lewis. And he was a track field athlete. He was track field. He was associated with the game that is track field athlete. He was a track field athlete, and he is associated with. So he is of America. He was a American track field athlete. ओके, तो ये ट्रैक फील्ड एथलीट कहाँ के थे? ही वॉज अ ट्रैक फील्ड एथलीट ऑफ अमेरिका. मूविंग नेक्स्ट टू द थर्ड वन ऑफ द जेम ऑफ आवर कंट्री, हमारे भारत के, हमारे इंडिया के. हु इज़ ही? ही इज़ राहुल द्रविड़. हु इज़ ही? ही इज़ राहुल द्रविड़, एंड ही इज़ अ फॉर्मर क्रिकेटर ऑफ इंडिया. ये हमारे भारत के पुराने क्रिकेटर हैं. ही इज़ अ फॉर्मर क्रिकेटर ऑफ इंडिया. And he was known as the Wall. So whenever the India needs a player, so he was there. Okay, so that's why he was known as the Wall. Okay, so who is he? He is Rahul Dravid. So write down the third one. He is Rahul Dravid. D-R-A-V-I-D. He is Rahul Dravid, and he was a cricketer. He and the sports with which he is associated was cricket. So कौन से sports से associated थे? So he was associated with cricket, and he is of India. कहाँ के? India. I-N-D-I-A. So Rahul Dravid is associated with cricket. Was associated with cricket, and he has played his cricket by representing our own country, India. So he was representing India in the cricket. He is Rahul Dravid. Who is he? He is Rahul Dravid. So these are the answers for the first three pictures. Diego Maradona is associated with football at Argentina. Second is Carl Lewis. He was a track field athlete of America. Third is Rahul Dravid. He was a cricket. He was associated with cricket, and he was from our own country, India. चलिए, moving next to the fourth picture. Okay, so let's do the fourth one. So, moving next to the fourth picture here. So the fourth picture is of one of the very famous sports person, and he is Prakash Padukone. He is Prakash Padukone, and he was a badminton player. Okay, so he is a former badminton player, and he was former badminton player of India. So he is a former badminton player of India. Who is he? He is Prakash Padukone. He is Prakash Padukone, former badminton player of India. And one more thing about him is that he is the father of Deepika Padukone as well. So it will be able for you to learn it. So who is he? He is Prakash Padukone. The fourth picture is of Prakash. The fourth picture is of Prakash Padukone. So fourth picture is of Prakash Padukone, and he is associated with badminton. He is associated with badminton, and he had played badminton he has represented India in badminton. तो उन्होंने इंडिया को बैडमिंटन में रिप्रेजेंट किया है. Who is he? He is Prakash Padukone, father of Deepika Padukone, and he was a former badminton player of India. Moving next to the fifth one. Fifth picture. Okay, who is he? He is Michael Jordan. Who is he? He is one of the very talented and legendary basketball player. Who is he? He is Michael Jordan. So he is a legendary basketball player of America. He is a legendary basketball player of America, and his name is Michael Jordan. Who is he? He is Michael Jordan. Michael. He is Michael Jordan. He is Michael Jordan, and he's associated with basketball. He is associated with basketball, and he was a basketball player of America. कौन सी कंट्री के बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर थे हैं? So now he is retired. Okay, so he is a basketball player of America. So the second picture is of Michael Jordan, and he was a basketball player of America. Moving next to the sixth one. The sixth picture. So who is he? He is Dhyan Chand. तो ध्यान चंद आपने नाम सुना होगा. He was a hockey player of India. इनके ऊपर ध्यानचंद एक हॉकी का कप भी है. So there is a cup that is played. Okay, that's a championship or cup of hockey, and that cup is named after him. Okay, so who is he? He is Dhyan Chand, and he is associated with hockey. He was a former hockey player of India. Okay, ये हमारे भारत के एक हॉकी प्लेयर थे. And who is he? He is Dhyan Chand. Who is he? He is Dhyan Chand, a former hockey player of India. A former hockey player of India. So he was a hockey player. So the sports with which he is associated is hockey, and he is from India. Okay. So these are the answers for the fourth, fifth and the sixth picture. The fourth picture is of Prakash Padukone, and he is associated with, he was a former badminton player of India. Sixth picture is of Michael Jordan. He is a former basketball player of America. The sixth picture is of Dhyan Chand. He is a former hockey player of India. Clear? So these are the answers for the 4, 5 and 6. So you can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the seventh one. Now I am moving to the seventh one. Okay. So seventh picture, so let us pay attention to the seventh picture. So who is he? He is Jack Nicklaus. He is Jack Nicklaus, and he is a former, so he is a golf player or golfer of America. तो he is Jack Nicklaus. देखिए जो golf खेलते हैं उनको बोलते हैं golfer. The player, those who play golf, they are known as golfer. So Jack Nicklaus, he was a former golfer of America, or a golf player, or golfer भी बोलते हैं. Golf player नहीं होता, it is golf. Okay, golfer. So Jack Nicklaus is a golfer of America. So this is the picture. Okay, this is the seventh picture is of Jack Nicklaus. तो लिखिए seventh picture, Jack, J-A-C-K, Jack Nicklaus, N-I-C-L-A-U-S. Jack Nicklaus is the former golf player. Okay, so he is associated with golf, and he is from America. So he was a golfer of America. Done. Moving next to the eighth one. So the eighth picture. So who is she? She is Judith Polgar. Who is she? She is Judith Polgar. She is a chess player of Hungary. She is an Hungarian chess player. तो हंगरी कंट्री का नाम आपने सुना है. And she is an Hungarian chess player. And who is she? She is Judith Pandit. Judith Polgar. Okay, so so write down this answer for the 8th one. That is Judith, Judit. Judith Polgar. Okay, Judith Polgar, and he was a Hungarian chess player. She is associated with chess, and she was from Hungary. Hungary. Okay, she was from Hungary. She was a chess player. So these are the answers for the book pictures that is given in your book. So A7th is Jack Nicklaus. He was a golf player of America. 8th picture is of Judith Polgar. She is a chess player of Hungary. Now here the tidbit is given. So let's revise the tidbit now. Michael Phelps is an American swimmer with 28 Olympic medals, which includes 23 gold. At the 2000 Olympics in Beijing, he became the first athlete to win 8 gold medals at a single Olympics. At the 2012 Olympics in London, he became the first male swimmer to win the gold as the same individual event at the 3 consecutive Olympics. So now we are talking about Michael Phelps. So he is one of the greatest legendary swimmer, and he is an American swimmer. So America के एक swimmer है. He is an American swimmer. Okay, and the next thing about is इनके नाम बहुत सारे records है. So he has certain records are named after him. Okay, so the records like that, he has won 28 gold medals. तो इन्होंने जो बीजिंग में Olympics हुए थे in the year 2008, so the Olympics that was held in the Beijing in the year 2008, he has won 28 gold medals. He has won the I think 8. Okay, so he was the first athlete who has won 8 gold medals in the single Olympics. So एक जो बीजिंग में Olympics 2008 में, so in that Olympics he has won 8 gold medals. So he was the only swimmer or the player who has won 8 gold medals. Other than that, in the next Olympics, that was held in 2012, he again won the swimming gold in the swimming categories. Okay, and he became the first swimmer. वो सबसे पहले स्विमर बने थे जिन्होंने कॉन्जिक्यूटिव लगातार 3 ओलंपिक्स में गोल्ड मेडल जीता था. ओके, एंड यू नो ही इज हैविंग 28 ओलंपिक्स मेडल विद हिम. इनके पास 28 ओलंपिक्स मेडल है, जिसमें से 23 क्या है, गोल्ड. So he has won 28 medals in the Olympics, okay, in all the Olympics in which he have participated, and out of those 28 medals, 23 are gold and rest are silver and bronze. Okay, so he is Michael Phelps. He is a legendary swimmer of America. Okay, so with this we have completed the topic, that is sporting legends. Now we will move to the next topic, that is playing Commonwealth. So all of you open your books at page number 49, that is playing Commonwealth. So I am just changing the topic here. That is playing Commonwealth. Playing Commonwealth. Okay, playing Commonwealth. This is given at page number 49. Now what is this playing Commonwealth? Playing Commonwealth का मतलब क्या है? So first of all you must know that what is Commonwealth. इसके लिए पहले आपको पता होना चाहिए Commonwealth क्या है. So बेटा, just like the Olympics games and the Asian games, Commonwealth games is also a event in which the different sports and games event are organized, and the participants from the Commonwealth nations only, they participate in the various sports event. Okay, now what is Commonwealth nation? तो देखिए, okay, so in Commonwealth Games, this is the name of a game just like Olympics and Asian Games. So this is the name of a game in which the participants or the players from the Commonwealth nations only participate. So nations are those nations which were part of the British Empire, which were earlier the part of British Empire. तो Commonwealth नेशंस कौन से नेशंस को कहा जाता है जो कि कभी ब्रिटिश एम्पायर का हिस्सा रहे थे. Okay, so that means the Britishers may have ruled over their country, so that's why they are considered as that they were the part of British Empire at a time. So here we will talk about the Commonwealth Games, in which the players from the only Commonwealth nations they used to participate. And just like the Olympics, the certain sports and the game events are organized, and all the players from the Commonwealth nations they participate in it. So देखिए, here they have mentioned the Commonwealth Games, a multi-sports event, is held after every 4 years among the athletes of the Commonwealth nations. Okay, तो देखिए this just like Olympics, this Commonwealth Games they are also held after every 4 years. तो ये भी हर 4 साल में Commonwealth जो गेम्स है वो भी हर 4 साल में sorry, I just forgot the name. हर 4 साल में just like Olympics, they are also held after every 4 years. Okay, so here in this topic they have mentioned the Commonwealth Games of 2014. So 2014 में जो Commonwealth Games हुई थी, they have mentioned about it. So before 2014, the Commonwealth Games were hosted by India in the year 2010. So in 2010, New Delhi, India. Okay, that was India has hosted the Commonwealth Games in the year 2010. After 2010, Glasgow, Scotland. So the 2000 next Commonwealth Games were held in Glasgow, Scotland. So Scotland में Glasgow में the next Commonwealth Games were organized. So that is hosted by Glasgow, Scotland. After 2014, the next Commonwealth Games that were held in the year 2018. 2010 में New Delhi, India में हुआ था. 2014 it was held in Glasgow, Scotland, and in 2018 it was held in Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. Okay, so in 2018 the Commonwealth Games were held in Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. So now the next Commonwealth Games will held in 2022. That will be the next year. Okay, and that was, I'm not getting it where it will be. I think that's France. No, France में तो next Olympics होंगे. So देखिए, तो basically in this topic you will came to know about the various players, those who have participated in the Commonwealth Games of 2014. So देखिए, here are the key gold medal winners at the 2000 Olympics. Here are some key gold medal winners at the 2014 Commonwealth Games. Match these players with the sports they are associated with. So here they have given the picture and some matching, and we have to match the name of the players with the name of the sports with which they have been associated. And all these players like Yogeshwar Dutt, Apurvi Chandela, Sukhande, Vikas Gowda and Deepika Palikal, they all have won the gold in the Commonwealth 2014. Okay, so now we have to match the name of these legendary gold medal winners with the name of the sports with which they have been associated. So let's match it. So the first name is Yogeshwar Dutt. So the first name is Yogeshwar. The first name is Yogeshwar Dutt. So Yogeshwar Dutt is associated with which sports? So Yogeshwar Dutt is associated with wrestling. That is option number C. That is wrestling. W-R-E-S-T-L-I-N-G. Okay. So Yogeshwar Dutt is associated with wrestling. That is option number C. Moving next to the second one. The second name is Apurvi Chandela. The second name is Apurvi Chandela, and Apurvi Chandela is associated with shooting. Shooting means rifle shooting or gun shooting, whether I don't know. But Apurvi Chandela has won gold medal in shooting, for shooting. That is option number D. Second is Apurvi Chandela. Apurvi Chandela, and she has won gold medal in shooting. That is option number D. SHOOTING. That is shooting. Okay. Moving next to the third one. The third picture is the third name is Sukhande. The third name is Sukhande. So he has also won gold medal in the 2014 Commonwealth Games. And who is he? With which sport Sukhande is associated? So Sukhande is associated with squash. So Sukhande is associated with squash. So squash game, you must have heard about it. Okay. So Sukhande. So you can see the picture of Sukhande is also given over here. देखिए यहाँ पे 3 pictures दी हुई हैं. The first picture is of Yogeshwar Dutt and this picture is of Sukhande. अब इनके बारे में हम करेंगे. Then we will see their names as well. So चलिए, the third name is Sukhande, and Sukhande is associated with squash. So write down the name of the sports. That is squash, given at option number B. Squash. SQUASH. That is squash. Okay, so write it down. Sukhande is associated with squash. Moving next to the fourth one. So the fourth name is Vikas Gowda. The fourth name is Vikas Gowda. Gowda. The fourth name is of Vikas Gowda, and Vikas Gowda is associated with discus throw. That is given at option number A. Vikas Gowda is associated with discus. Vikas Gowda is associated with discus throw. So this is the name of the sports with which he is associated. That is discus throw. Moving next to the fifth one. The fifth name is Deepika Pallikal. She is Deepika Pallikal. Okay, I think I have just get it wrong. Okay, sorry, I have just written it wrong. Sukhande is associated not with squash. He is associated with weightlifting. That is option number E. Sukhande is associated with weightlifting. Sukhande is associated with weightlifting. Deepika Pallikal is associated with squash. Okay. Last is Deepika Pallikal. Pallikal. That is Deepika Pallikal. And Deepika Pallikal is associated with squash. 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 Okay, so these are the name of the sports and the sports person with which they have been associated. Yogeshwar Dutt is associated with wrestling. Apurvi Chandela is associated with shooting. Sukhande is associated with weightlifting. Vikas Gowda is associated with discus throw. And Deepika Pallikal is associated with squash. Okay, so you have to match it, or you can write A, B, C, D, whatever the options you can choose, you want to choose, you can. Okay, and you can see the pictures of these 3 players as well. This is Yogeshwar Dutt, and he is associated with wrestling. Deepika Pallikal, she is associated with squash. Sukhande, he is associated with weightlifting. Okay. So you can pause the video and note down the solution in your books. And this was from my today's session as well, class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.